Trust me, I'm a doctor with the food reviews. Gonna give you the scoop on some tasty news. Savory delights on my plate tonight. Exploring flavors, taking big bites. Trust me, I'm a doctor with tell you what's right. In the world of food, we're shining bright, oh yeah. Hey, hey, it's time to eat. Grab your forks, let's take a seat. Trust me, I'm a doctor with the food reviews. Gonna give you the scoop on some tasty news. Savory delights on my plate tonight. Exploring flavors, taking big bites. Trust me, I'm a doctor with tell you what's right.
Thanks for watching my latest video. Shout out to TrustMeI'mADoctor for sending me the F1 Pro Instant Read Thermometer to test out. Check the link in the description box to find out how the TrustMeI'mADoctor can take your cooking game to the next level. And just so you know, the thinner bone-in pork chops are my favorite. They came out the best, which bone-in meat tends to do. All the pork chops turned out great, but I'd rather have bone-in any day. Peace, I'm out. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. All right, see you later.
On my plate tonight, exploring flavors, taking big bites. Trust me, I'm a doctor, we tell you what's right. In the world of food, we're shining bright.